Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. So today's the gear set assembly lesson will be the micro size servo. Okay, today we'll show you the micro servo gear assembly. So first, we need to prepare the paper towel, screwdriver, grease, the gear grease, but make sure it's not too oily, liquid, and tweezer. Of course, the gear set. Okay, first we need to take off the case and then open the top case. So we use the tweezer to take out a pin. So there is a 2 pin pull out. So you can have a first gear, take out third gear, and the first one, and use your tweezer to pull out the shaft. Okay, so first we put the first gear in the plastic one in the position, and then first gear. So remember, the upper shaft have the decal in here, so you need to check before you assemble it. Then we use a tweezer to put the pin on. And then the final gear, the third gear. And final, pull the pin in. Remember to put the gear grease on the side. And then close the case. There's a gear set.